Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question of the day. X square plus 6x minus 40 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation solved by completing square method. Solution: x square plus 6x minus 40 equal to 0. So in this question, step number first is already done because the coefficient of x square is 1. Now let's come to the step number second. Shift the constant term minus 40 to the right hand side to get x square plus 6x equal to 40. And step number third. And step number third. 8 square and half the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is 6 square and half, which is equal to 3 square. Now add this 3 square to both sides of the given equation. Now x square plus 6x plus 3 square equal to 40 plus 3 square. And left hand side, applying the formula of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. But right hand side, just simplify. A square plus b square plus 2a into b, which is equal to 40 plus 9. So this is open form of the a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The closed form of this formula x plus 3 whole square, which is equal to 49. Now taking square root on both sides, square root square cancel, x plus 3 equal to plus minus, we can write this in the form of 7 square, square root square cancel, x plus 3 equal to plus minus 7. Now we have to find the solution of the given quadratic equation. X plus 3 equal to plus minus 7. X is equal to minus 3 plus 7, or x is equal to minus 3 minus 7. So x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 10 is the required solution set. And the solution set of the given quadratic equation is 4 minus 10. Thanks.